Hi dear traders, the US dollar index is approaching new highs. Demand for the greenback surged just after the Federal Reserve decided to raise the key interest rate by 75 basis points. What's more, the regulator is planning to tighten its monetary policy until inflation slackens to reasonable levels. Thus, markets suppose that the benchmark rate will be hiked to 4.5% by the end of the year. Apart from that, investors are buying the US dollar as a safe haven asset amid the soaring geopolitical tension caused by the partial mobilization in Russia. This is a clear sign of the escalation of hostilities in Europe, which is already suffering from the upcoming recession and the energy crisis. As a result, investors are withdrawing their funds from Europe in favor of US assets. Curiously, some enterprises are considering a transfer of their production to the US from Europe. The fact is that industrial production is becoming extremely costly and risky due to sharp fluctuations in gas prices and supply chain disruptions. Thus, Volkswagen is among those companies that decided to move to the United States. Judging by news in mass media, traders will hardly expect positive data from the IFO experts. According to the forecast, in September, Germany's business climate index may decline to 87 points from 88.5 points. Notably, in August, the business climate in the Eurozone's largest economy reached the lowest level since June 2020. The euro-dollar pair is likely to hit new lows amid such a news flow. Traders in stock markets are also extremely pessimistic. The fact is that higher interest rates are preventing businesses from developing. In addition, data on the US durable goods orders may also affect the US market. The anticipated figures will reflect lower demand and a negative tendency in the consumer sector. In August, the number of orders may drop by 1.1%. It is obvious that in the Eurozone countries, consumer sentiment is even worse than in the US. On Wednesday, Germany's consumer sentiment indicator reached a new record low. Pessimism is spreading among German citizens amid concerns about the upcoming recession and energy crisis. Households prefer saving money instead of spending it. Most people are saving money in anticipation of cold weather and large energy bills. Meanwhile, the euro may continue falling from the parity level. So the fundamental background has been quite alarming, and it's of major importance now to follow all the latest news, which you can learn from our daily news reports on InstaForex TV channel. Stay tuned.